Hello student, good morning. Today we will study remain part of the chapter The Anime, which is written by Pulse S. Buck. In the previous part we had studied that there is a story of Dr. Sadao. Dr. Sadao and his wife given a shelter to a man. He was the prisoner of the Japanese and was the enemy of Japanese. He was American soldier and they had given him a shelter. Even Dr. Sadao operated him. Now that man was normal. But what happened? The servants who refused to work at their home, the servant left the home. Within few days, within 6-7 days, the man came in a civil uniform. There was a message for Dr. Sadao and he was called in the palace because the general was in pain और उसका भी ऑपरेशन होने का है. और यहाँ पर डॉक्टर सदाओ वो जनरल को सब बात बता देते हैं कि दे हेल्प्ड द प्रिजनर और उसको हेल्प की है. बट हियर दैट जनरल नीडेड डॉक्टर सदाओज हेल्प क्योंकि उसका ऑपरेशन डॉक्टर सदाओ ही कर सकते हैं. लेट्स स्टडी द चैप्टर मोर. There are other surgeons, Excellency, Sadao suggested. Sadao suggested to the general that there were many other surgeons in Japan. None I trust, the general replied. The general replied that he did not trust anyone else other than Sadao. The best ones have been trained by Germans and would consider the operation successful even if I died. He added that the best surgeon had been trained by the Germans and for them the operation would be successful if the general died. And he did not care for their point of view. The general added the Japanese could not combine the harsh nature of the Germans with the emotions nature of the Americans. So the general wanted to say that they did not have such person who could combine the harsh nature of a German and emotions true of an American. He said that if they would have been able to do that, then Sadao could be harsh and could turn the prisoner to the Japanese and at the same time be emotional and not murder the general during the operations. With this, the general laughed. The writer says that the general had a strange sense of humor. He was very witty. Then he asked Sadao that being Japanese, could he not combine these two foreign elements? So the foreign elements to which the general is referring is the harsh nature of a German and emotional nature of an American. Which are two elements? The Germans' ruthlessness and Americans' sentimentality. So these are two foreign elements. सपोज़ कि सदाओ को एज अ प्रिजनर पेश किया जाए क्योंकि उन्होंने अमेरिकन प्रिजनर को हेल्प किया था. सपोज़ कि सदाओ एक प्रिजनर है फिर भी अगर वो ऑपरेशन करता है फिर भी वो जनरल को मारेगा नहीं वाइल डूइंग एन ऑपरेशन. ऐसा कह के जनरल जो है वो हंसते हैं. ही एड एन अनयूजुअल सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर. उसके पास एक अनयूजुअल सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर था. And this is really crucial time. General need an operation and he wants Sadao to do the operation. कि वो सदाओ को ही चाहते थे कि वही ऑपरेशन करे. एंड द सिचुएशन क्या है कि उसको सदाओ ने बता दिया है कि उसने एक अमेरिकन को शेल्टर किया है. नाउ दिस इज़ अ क्रूशियल टाइम फॉर जनरल कि उसको प्रिजनर बनाया जाए कि उसको एज अ डॉक्टर उसका वो ऑपरेशन करे. Sadao smiled. I am not quite sure, he said, but for your sake I would be willing to try, Excellency. वो कहते कि वो ज़रूर कोशिश करेंगे एक अच्छा सा सक्सेसफुल ऑपरेशन करने की. The general shook his head. I had rather not be the test case, he said. The general shook his head as he did not want to be such a person on whom a new trial would be made. कि उस पर कोई ट्रायल यानी कि और कोई एक केस लगे और वो उसको जेल जाना पड़े ऐसा वो नहीं चाहते थे. ही फेल्ट सडनली वीक एंड ओवरवेलम्ड विद द केयर्स ऑफ हिज लाइफ as an official in times such as this when repeated victory brought great responsibility all over the South Pacific. Suddenly, he felt weak and emotional as he was reminded of the problems he had faced throughout his life while fulfilling his duty and responsibility in various wars won by Japan. उसको अपनी जो है रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वो याद आ जाती है कि उसने क्या क्या थ्रू आउट द लाइफ, पूरी लाइफ में उसने जो भी विक्टोरियस काम किया था उसको याद आ जाता है. It is very unfortunate that this man should have washed up on your doorstep, he said irritably. थोड़ा इरिटेट हो जाते, गुस्सा आ जाता कि इट इज़ वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट, तुम्हारे लिए बहुत दुर्भाग्य की बात है कि वो तैरता हुआ, वॉश्ड होता हुआ तुम्हारे डोर स्टेप पर आया. आई फील इट्स सो माई सेल्फ, सदाओ सेड जेंटली. सदाओ भी सोचते कि येस, दिस इज़ एन अनफॉर्चुनेट थिंग फॉर हिमसेल्फ. It would be best if he could quietly killed, the general said. General added that if that man could be killed quietly, शांति से उसको मारा जाए, not by you, but by someone who does not know him, ऐसे इंसान के द्वारा जो उसको जानता ना हो. I have my own private assassins. Assassins means professional killers. Now general had been trying to give him some ideas कि कैसे उसको मारा जाए. And he also added that he had some private assassins कि उसके पास कुछ प्रोफेशनल किलर्स थे, वो उसको शांति से मार देंगे. Suppose I send 2 of them to your house tonight or better any night, कि कोई भी रात को, या तो आज या और any other better night. You need know nothing about it. और उसको कहते कि उसके बारे में आप कुछ जानते नहीं हैं. It is now warm. What would you be more natural than that you should leave the outer partition of the white man's room open to the garden while he sleeps? And he also giving some ideas कि आपको वो गार्डन के जो दरवाज़ा वहाँ से पास होता है, पार्टीशन है, वहाँ पर आपको दरवाज़ा ओपन रखना है और मेरे इंसान 2 आएंगे, वो उसको रात को आएंगे, उसको मार देंगे. These idea given by general. Certainly it would be very natural, Sadao agreed. In fact it is so left open every night. वो कहते कि बेटर आइडिया है और इनफैक्ट वो तो रोज़ खुला ही रहता है. He does not close the door. तो इस तरह से ये बात जनरल और सदाओ के बीच में होती है. Good, जनरल said, yawning करते हुए कहा कि good. They are very capable assassins. They make no noise and they know the trick of inward bleeding. If you like, I can even have them remove the body. उसने कहते कि उसकी जो assistants है, they are very capable. वो ऐसे मारेंगे, खून भी निकलेगा नहीं और इंसान मर जाएगा. और he added also कि ऐसा होगा तो बॉडी को भी वहाँ से रिमूव करवा देंगे, किसी को पता चलेगा नहीं. Sadao considered. He thought over it. That perhaps would be best, Excellency, he agreed, thinking of Hannah. This time he was thinking about Hannah because Hannah was really concerned about this man and about their reputation, कि उसको अपने reputation के बारे में भी चिंता थी, that they had given the shelter to a enemy. He left the general's presence and went home, thinking over the plan. Sadao went home, but he was thinking about this plan. In this way, the whole thing would be taken out of his hands. He is thinking that everything will be taken from his hand. He would tell Hannah nothing, since she would be timid at the idea of assassins in the house, and yet certainly such persons were essential in an absolute state such as Japan was. He didn't want an involvement of Hannah in this matter. And he also knew that Hannah would not like the idea of the hide killers coming to their house, but such persons were essential in the place like Japan. It was the only way for the rulers to deal with their opponents. यही था कि कैसे opponents के साथ उसको deal किया जाए. He refused to allow anything but reason to be the atmosphere of his mind as he went into the room where the Americans was in bed. But As he opened the door, to his surprise, he found the young man out of bed and preparing to go into the garden. He did not want any thought in his mind, and he went into the room where the American man lay asleep. He was surprised to see that man was out of his bed. He was getting ready to go out into the garden. "What is this?" he exclaimed. "Who gave you permission to leave your room?" Sada was shocked as he asked him that who had permitted him to stand and walk, because he did not give him permission. He is concerned about his patients only. As a doctor, he worried about the patient कि इस तरह से इसको चलना चाहिए नहीं, इस तरह से उसकी हेल्थ पर ही असर पड़ेगा. I'm not used to waiting for permission, Tom said gaily. Gosh, I feel pretty good again, but will the muscles on this side always feel stiff? Now that man said that, कि I'm not used to waiting for permission, मैं कभी परमिशन की वेट करता नहीं था. Gosh, I feel pretty good, वो कहते कि मुझे अब अच्छा फील हो रहा है. Here the word gaily means happy. He said that he felt good again. Just the muscles on the side of his body were stiff and rigid. थोड़े उसके जो साइड्स के मसल्स है वो स्टिफ हो गए. स्टिफ मतलब अकड़ गए हैं. Is it so? Sadao inquired, surprised. He forgot all else. Now I thought I had provided against that, he murmured. He lifted the edge of the man's shirt and gazed at the healing scars. Massage may do it, he said, if exercise does not. Sada was surprised to hear that. He forgot all work and said that he had warned the man not to stand and walk. उसने warning देते हुए कहा. And he lifted the man's shirt and inspected the scar. उसने check किए उसके scars को. He said that massage could heal it if it would not be healed by exercise. कहा कि उसके जो scars है वो मसाज से ठीक होंगे ना कि एक्सरसाइज से. It will not bother me much, the young man said. The young man had said that it will not bother. Bother means concerned, worried him much. His young face was gaunt under the stubbly blonde beard. Beard means जो उसकी दाढ़ी होती है वो, and gaunt means gloomy, weak. Stubbly means unshaven beard. Say, doctor, I have got something I want to say to you. If I hadn't met a Jap like you, well, I wouldn't be alive today. I know that. Sadao bowed but he could not speak. उसने कहा कि आपके जैसे इंसान जापानीज डॉक्टर उसको मिलते नहीं. He would not be alive. वो जिंदा रहता नहीं. And here Sadao bowed means जापानी स्टाइल में उसको bowed मतलब well thanks कहा, but he could not speak here. Sure, I know that, Tom went on warmly. Tom added that he was sure as he held the chair tightly with his thin hands. The knuckle turned white in color. This indicated that he was still weak and had not recovered fully. बताते थे कि थोड़ा वो अभी इतना वो स्टेबल नहीं है. Tom added that if all the Japanese people would have been like Sadao, then the war would not have happened. कि अगर वॉर ही नहीं होती, सपोज जापानीज जो है सदाओ जैसे होते तो. Perhaps, सदाओ said with difficulty. उसको परहैप्स बोलने में भी डिफ़िकल्टी हुई क्योंकि अंदर से तो उसको पता है कि उसने जनरल के साथ क्या प्लान बनाया है. एंड नाउ आई थिंक यू हैड बेटर गो बैक टू बेड. उसने कहा कि एज अ डॉक्टर उसने कहा कि तुम्हारे लिए यही बेटर है दैट उसको अब सो जाना चाहिए. गो बैक टू बेड. He helped the boy back into bed and then bowed. Good night, he said. Sadao slept badly that night because Sadao had made a plan with General to kill this man, to kill this enemy. और यही बात उसको कहीं ना कहीं अटक रही थी, and that is why he could not sleep on time. Time and time again he woke, thinking he heard the rustling of footsteps, the sound of a twig broken or a stone displaced in the garden, a noise such as men might make who carried a burden. कि उसने ऑलरेडी जनरल के साथ प्लान बनाया था कि कोई आएगा और उसको मारकर चला जाएगा। सो उसको यही आवाज़ सुनाई दे रही, रस्टलिंग ऑफ फुट स्टेप, द साउंड ऑफ ट्विग ब्रोकन, कि गार्डन में से कोई आ रहा है और ट्विग जो है ब्रोकन हो रहे, stone displaced in the garden, a noise such as man might make who carried a burden। ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे एक बर्डन लेकर वो सो रहे और इसीलिए वो सो नहीं पाए, उसको नींद नहीं आई, he couldn't sleep that night। The next morning he made the excuse to go first into the guest room। He made an excuse, he wanted to check whether the American man is there or not। If the American were gone, he then could simply tell Hannah that so the general had directed। he will tell Hannah कि जनरल ने जैसे डायरेक्टेड किया था उस तरह से वो हैना को बता देगा। बट वेन ही ओपन द डोर ही सो एट वंस दैट देयर ऑन द पिलो वॉज अ सेगी ब्लॉन्ड हेड। सेगी मतलब हेरी, उसके चेहरे पर बियर्ड थी, वो सब था, इसलिए यहाँ पर सेगी कहाँ है, सेगी ब्लॉन्ड हेड। ही कुड हियर द पीसफुल ब्रीथिंग ऑफ स्लीप एंड ही क्लोज द डोर अगेन क्वाइटली। उसने देखा कि वहाँ तो ऑलरेडी दैट मैन वॉज स्लीपिंग, अमेरिकन वॉज स्लीपिंग, ही वॉज स्लीपिंग सो पीसफुली, सो ही अगेन closed the door। He is asleep, he told Hannah। He told Hannah that that man asleep, he almost well to sleep like that। He added that now he was well and did not need to sleep like that। उसको इस तरह से सोना नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा डॉक्टर सदाओ हन्ना को कहते हैं। What shall we do with him? Hannah whispered her old refrain। Refrain means a sound this repeated time and again। Sadao shook his head। I must decide in a day or two, he promised। जब हैना भी थोड़ी उदास होकर कहती है कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं, Sadao too shook his head and promised her that he would decide it in 1 or 2 days what we'll do with this man। But certainly he thought the second night must be the night। वो सोचता है कि एक रात ऐसी चली गई, means next night it will be the night, last night of this man। There rose a wind that night and he listened to the sound of bending bows and whistling partitions। That night too he heard something। partition की वहाँ से आवाज़ आती है, bending bows, bows means branches and whistling partitions। Hannah woke too। वो रात को थोड़ी आवाज़ आ रही थी तो हन्ना भी उठ गई। आउट वी नोट टू गो एंड क्लोज द सीक्वेंस पार्टीशन सियास, कि उसको भी वहाँ पर जाकर क्या दरवाज़ा बंद नहीं करना चाहिए, सीक्वेंस जहाँ पर पार्टीशन पर के पास में सोया है वो दरवाज़ा बंद नहीं करना चाहिए। सी आस्क्ड सदाओ। नो, सदाओ सेड ही इज़ एबल नाउ टू डू इट फॉर हिमसेल्फ। सदाओ कहता है कि वो अपने आप कर लेगा। बट द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग द अमेरिकन वो स्टिल देयर। नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग पर भी अमेरिकन मैन अभी भी वहाँ था, कोई भी असिस्टेंस जनरल ने भेजे नहीं थे। देन द थर्ड नाइट ऑफ कोर्स मस्ट बी द नाइट। सदाओ थॉट दैट थर्ड नाइट विल बी द night, last night of that American man। The wind changed to quite rain and the garden was full of the sound of dripping eaves and running springs। Sadao slept a little better, but he woke at the sound of a crash and leaped to his feet। eaves, यहाँ से उसको एव से पानी गिरते हुए उसको आवाज़ सुनाई दे रही थी। एंड सदाओ स्लेप्ट लिटिल बेटर, कि थोड़ा सा लिटिल बेटर वो स्लेप्ट हो जाता है। बट ही वोक अप एट द साउंड ऑफ क्रेस एंड लीव्ड टू हिज फीट, कि उसको थोड़ा सा कहीं से ऐसा आवाज़ सुनाई देता है और अपने पैरों पर वो जंप करके खड़ा हो जाता है। द वर्ड एव्स, अ पार्ट ऑफ रूफ दैट meets over hangs the wall of a building and springs। You can see in the picture। What was that? Hannah cried। The baby woke at her voice and began to wail। W-A-I-L, wail means cry। I must go and see। But he held her and would not let her move। Sadao, she cried, what is the matter with you? Don't go, he muttered, don't go। उसने देखा कि बच्चा जो है रो रहा है तो हना कहती कि वो जाएगी और देखेगी, बट सदाओ कहता है कि नहीं, तुझे वहाँ जाना नहीं है। His terror infected her and she stood breathless, Waiting. Infected means here affected. There was only silence. Together they crept back into the bed. The baby between them. उस बच्चे को लेकर वहाँ पर वो सो जाते हैं. Yet when he opened the door of the guest room in the morning, there was the young man. On the third day or on the fourth day, third night, there was not the last time of the young man. On the fourth day, Sadao showed the young man on his bed. He was very gay and hard, already washed, now on his feet. Gay means happy. He was happy and already he had taken his bath. He was on his feet. नहा भी लिया था, हैप्पी भी था और अपने पैरों पर वो खड़ा भी था. He had asked for a razor yesterday and had shaved himself, and today there was a faint color in his cheeks. उसने शेव भी किया था और आज उसके चेहरे पर थोड़ा फेंट कलर भी दिख रहा था उसके गाल पर. I'm well, he said joyously. The man announced happily that he was well. Sadao drew his kimono around his weary body. He could not, he decided suddenly, go through another night. It was not that he cared for this young man's life. No, simply it was not worth the strain. Kimono is a traditional cloth of Japanese. So he wrapped himself with the kimono. He could not, he decided suddenly. He could not pass the another night in that way. It was not that he cared for this young man's life. इसका अर्थ ये नहीं है कि वो young man की लाइफ के बारे में वो चिंतित थे. No, simply it was not worth the strain. कि उसके लिए उसको इतनी कोई चिंता थी नहीं. He could not bear the stress and anxiety anymore. Strain मतलब थोड़ी एंग्जाइटी, चिंता. वो चिंता में रात बिताना चाहता नहीं था. Strain means stress. You are well, Sadao agreed. He agreed that that man was very well. He lowered his voice. You are so well that I think if I put my boat on the seashore tonight with food and extra clothing in it, you might be able to row to that little island not far from the coast. It is so near the coast that it has not been worth fortifying. Fortifying means putting security at the place. अब सदाओ ने सडनली प्लान चेंज कर दिया. उसने कहा कि उसके लिए ये नाइट को वो फूड और एक बोट रेडी रखेगा. बोट में फूड भी होगा. ही हैज़ टू रो द बोट. उसको बोट को रो करते हुए नियर के आइलैंड पर चले जाना है. वहाँ पर वो सेफ रहेगा. नोबडी लिव्स ऑन इट बिकॉज इन द स्टॉर्म इट इज़ सबमर्ज्ड. वहाँ कहते कि वो जो आइलैंड है उस पर कोई नहीं रहता क्योंकि वहाँ पर सबमर्ज मीन्स सिंक इनटू द सी. कभी कभी वो पानी में डूब जाता है, इसीलिए वहाँ पर कोई रहता नहीं है. नोबडी लिव्स ऑन इट बिकॉज इट स्टॉर्म्स इन सबमर्ज. जब तूफान आता है तब वो डूब जाता है पानी में. बट दिस इज़ नॉट द सीजन ऑफ स्टॉर्म. लेकिन इस वक्त कोई स्टॉर्म आएगा नहीं. यू कुड लिव देयर अंटिल यू सो अ कोरियन फिशिंग बोट पास बाय. और उसको ये भी आइडिया देता है कि वो कब तक रहेगा. अंटिल ही फाउंड द कोरियन boat, fishing boat. They pass quite near the island because the water is many fathom deep there, and the fishermen pass from there because the water is deep there. The young man stared at him, slowly comprehending. Do I have to? He asked. कि क्या वो ऐसा कर सकता है? ऐसा वो करेगा तो स्टूडेंट आज हम यहाँ पर अटक रहे हैं. सदाओ की जनरल के साथ बात हुई थी. तब ये डिसीज़न लिया गया था कि ही विल सेंड सम असिस्टेंस एंड दे विल किल द अमेरिकन मैन दैट प्रिजनर. बट इट डिड नॉट हैपन. 3 nights passed but it did not happen. Now Sadao decided something. He did not want that this man is to be killed. वो ये नहीं चाहता था कि ये इंसान मारा जाए और इसीलिए आइडिया देता है कि वो दूसरे आइलैंड पर वो चला जाए. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन टू दिस मैन? विल ही सेव्ड हिज लाइफ? क्या वो सदाओ इस इंसान की जान बचा पाएगा? और विल ही बी कोट? क्या वो पकड़ा जाएगा? व्हाट विल हैपन? वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट लेसन. और इसके जितने भी वर्ड मीनिंग है आज हम यहाँ तक अटके हैं. जितने भी वोकेबुलरी आपको लिखनी. Read the chapter honestly and write the vocabulary in your classwork book. This is today's homework. Thank you and have a nice day.